Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your week so far. In today's video, we are organizing one of my cupboards that gives me a lot of trouble. I hope you enjoy. This was the state of my cupboard back in May. It has anything and everything, that's why it's so difficult to keep it organized. Really love that drink, by the way. If you are in UK, definitely try it. I got some organizers to try it out from my favorite home store, HomeSense, and now let's empty and clean the whole cupboard. My neglected cupboard is full of tea and coffee dust, so I'm using Fabuloso to clean it all up. So the three organizers I bought is this shelf and this water bottle rack, wine rack, but I'm gonna be using it. I thought I was going to use it for water bottles, and I have this two-tiered shelving unit. I made a mistake. I did not measure anything. I thought I would need all of these items. Luckily, I was able to return the rack. As you can see, it didn't fit anywhere. My recommendation is to plan, to measure before you buy anything. Probably I should have ordered it online, maybe Amazon, after measuring it, so I could check constantly the sizes of the organizers I was getting. Anyway, I was happy with the shelf as well as the tier tray. Let's set them up and see what we can come up with. It has separators as well, but I don't think I will be needing them. I don't want it to be too small for what I need, and I have a little space on the sides, and let me load all my gems and honeys at the bottom. Tea and coffee goes on top shelf, and it is lighter items, and I will be using these Ikea storage without the lids for storing other items. The small one is going to house all my son's sauces and condiments. I put the miscellaneous food items in the larger storage, and at the bottom of this shelf I will be placing the water bottles. My question is, do you drink enough water throughout the day? I know I don't. I always prefer tea and coffee instead of water. Even if I'm drinking water, I prefer flavored ones. It's something that I'm working on. Let me know if you are the same as me, or you're really good and healthy and drink plenty of water. I'm using this large basket for our junk food, and there's a space at the back, so I utilize that as well. And this is how it was looking back in May, and now I'm going to show you what happened, whether it worked or not, 6 months later. I bought this item purely because of its color, and I had high hopes I was going to use it on a video actually, but when I was revamping it 6 months later, I had to bin it because it was out of date, unfortunately. It's a big mess again. And this Ikea drink I really love is mulled fruit drink. Water bottles replaced by packages, random packages everybody seems to be stashing underneath. So I have another solution. Let's see if it's going to sort out some of my problems about this cupboard. If you're someone who is looking for ideas to make your home more beautiful, more organized, on a budget, you're definitely in the right place. My name is Shule and I love to share inspirational home decor related videos, high-end DIYs, organization videos. So in today's video, if you like what you see, please do subscribe for more relaxing and inspirational videos to take your home on a next level. This time around I'm not buying anything. I have 2 baskets that I already owned and I will be using them, and they are from HomeSense, $2.99 each. Safety first, I'm protecting my hands using gloves, and I am also wearing mask because I don't want to inhale all the chemicals in this cupboard while I was cleaning. And I read a lot of articles about especially women who loves cleaning products, getting all sorts of cancer, including lung cancer, because of inhaling all those fumes and chemicals. So I urge you to do the same. Wear your masks at home as well. My jar organization really works, so I'm keeping the same, and these are from another cupboard which you are going to see in my next video. These are the baskets, perfect size for the shelf, so I managed to make a drawer. It's a bit tight. You need both hands, one holding the shelf, the other one is pulling the basket, but it definitely works. This basket still houses all our junk food. As long as it's in a container, I don't mind if inside is messy or not, because it's so difficult to keep it. Since they are all random items, keep it tidy, so I really don't mind as long as it is contained. Still not perfect. These bottles actually doesn't have anywhere else to go. That's why it had to come here, but it's blocking my shelving unit. And 2 days after this video, actually my son broke that yellow alcohol drink. Oops. And he said my organization didn't work after all. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it inspirational for your own kitchen organization. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because more videos coming to your way. I'm gonna leave you with my playlist of cleaning and organization. I will see you over there. Until then, bye bye.